Bam, catch and shoot for Bam. Put
There
back
you
is
go.
good for JC Recto. Direk fires the three. It's
Oh,
good
yeah.
for Direk Acosta. Could it be another 5? Caspe, it's gonna get pushed. Basket bonus. Just it. Casajeros. The foul will be called on JC. The drive. He loses the basketball. JJ Caspe with a turnover. And Paundo. Hand off. Caspe for 3. Straight line and
big.
in. The lead is down. You just want one good stop. Off the denial. First free throw is good for Direk Acosta. In shot clock. JJ to Bam. Bam. Straight line and in for Bam. Gamalin. They go up. Loose ball. It's with Jetro. Ball is loose. One last shot. And Mindoro.